Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Pragmata and you keep getting this error, sorry something went wrong and you'll get a link here, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Pragmata easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform, so Steam for me, and now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on Pragmata. I'm going to use another game as an example. You're going to go into properties, go into install files, and here you're going to click onto verify integrity of game files on Pragmata. Once you click onto that, it will verify your game's files. After that, you're going to click onto browse here, and then it will redirect you to the game folder of Pragmata. If you want to know where the location is, it should be in your C drive from file6, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then Pragmata here. You're going to right click on the Pragmata.exe, click onto properties. You're going to go into compatibility, and then you're going to click on to run this program as an administrator, and also click disable full screen optimizations. After that, click apply, okay, and then go ahead and launch Pragmata, and you'll see that your game will now work. You will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.